Oh, hey, Redford. What are you doing?
I'm unboxing Pudgy Penguins.
What's a Pudgy Penguin?
These are Pudgy Penguins.
Oh, hey, guys. How you doing?
Good.
What, you got a friend in there?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see what you got.
Okay. Open.
Oh. Cool.
I know it's cool.
Oh, I see. I see you there. Can you tell me more about the Pudgies, Redford?
Sure. Pudgy Penguins are huggable plushes, and they come with this really cool adoption card. There are 4 Pudgy Penguins to collect. The one we saw earlier, the one we just opened, a Superman Pudgy, and a vote for Pudgy. There is also a code that says if you scan it, you can see the Pudgy story.
And where do you get them?
On Amazon.
Cool. Let's scan it and see what we got.
Yeah, let's go scan it. Go to pudgyworld.com, press Explore Pudgy World, wait for it to load, then click Enter the Igloo. Select your MetaMask. Click Menu. Redeem trade box. Enter the code. And then type the code. Then tap the box. Then you'll get traits. We got a wizard robe, a golden egg, rare and uncommon. We got a cocoa bird and a fisherman's hat.
Cool. Now you got your digital one. Now what are you going to do?
You get to play with the real Pudgy.
Yeah, guys. Let's play together.